Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. And first one what we can do is to check if you have the last software version. Open the application and just scroll down. Click About, and right here at the bottom we have the information that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one. Also, if it didn't help you, or you have the last software version, the last one what I recommended to you is to place your earbuds to the charging case. After that, close the case and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level of the earbuds and the charging case will update, so after 15 seconds just open it and check, it should fix your problem. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!